Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a super exciting collection that we're going to be playing around with. Obviously you guys can see it from the title. This is new ColourPop rainbow collection. You guys know I have been asking and begging and pleading for a little rainbow 9-pan palette. We did not get that in this collection, but we did get a rainbow palette and a few other little bundles as well. So let me just get into this collection. At this point of me filming this video, I do not know when this is launching. There is no like info on the card, but I do have pricing, so that's good. So let me just show you guys. I think I am going to be doing swatches for this collection. There's a lot of eyeshadows, so let's get into it. Hey guys, so hi, just popping into this video real quick because I wanted to let you guys know, as of right now, while I'm in the middle of editing this video, I now have a code with ColourPop. I'm super excited. So you guys can use the code KATRINA and it'll save you 10% off ColourPop, Fourth Ray, and also Soul Body as well. It has some exclusions, so I don't know exactly what it'll work on in this collection, but I thought I would just let you guys know anyway, just in case you guys want to use it. So yeah, anyways, back to the video. First thing we have is the She's a Rainbow palette. So this is actually their empty palettes that they have filled with beautiful rainbow eyeshadows. And in here we have like mattes, majority of them are mattes, some metallics, and some pressed glitters in here. These are already mostly existing shades. It says that there is 7 brand new pressed powder shadows. I'm not exactly sure which ones the new ones are. If I find that out, I will leave that listed in the description box, but there are 7 new ones in here. I don't know which ones they are. There's 24 eyeshadows in here, and this is retailing for $40, so that comes out to about like $166 each per eyeshadow, so it's a really good deal. But like I said, if these are already existing shades, so if you have some of them, keep that in mind, because I know I have a ton of them. Move on to the next thing. So we have little foursome, and I really love the packaging of everything in the collection. I think it's super pretty. Wouldn't a 9-pan palette look so cute with this design on it? This is the little foursome. This is retailing for $20, and for the first time we actually have Super Shock shadows and Jelly Much shadows, so that's exciting. We have the No Rest for the Vivid Jelly Much eyeshadow, the Origami Jelly Much eyeshadow, Shy Guy, and Fizz Super Shock shadows. Fizz is one of my favorite Super Shock shadows that ColourPop has, so I was really excited to see that in there. I really like that they put the Jelly Much shadows in there now because I feel like the Jelly Much shadows don't get that much love, so I'm happy that they put that in there. Next thing, which I think might be my favorite thing in this collection, which is ironic because it's not even makeup, but it is the Fourth Ray Beauty Head in the Clouds Face Milk set. This is so cute. I don't know, like, just the packaging alone is literally adorable. I just love, first of all, I love the face milks. I have them like on my desk and just like lined up like this. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, my mind. I love the face milks. What I use for a daily, like day-to-day moisturizer, not like at nighttime, but during the day. My favorite one is the strawberry and the papaya and the watermelon. But in here we have the watermelon, papaya, turmeric, matcha, and we have a brand new one, which is the acai face milk. So I'm really excited about that. I just really think that this is such a cute setup. It has the little bottles on the back with the display and what each one does, like what ingredient is in each little face milk. I just think that this is adorable, and I think this is my favorite thing out of the entire collection. It's retailing for $25, which I think is a steal. This is amazing. So that comes out to $5 each for a daily moisturizer. Are you kidding me? You get to try out a bunch of the different ones, so if you haven't tried any of the face milks yet, this is definitely a good thing to start with. Next thing we have is the Color Me Happy Bff Volumizing Mascara Bundle Set. So in here we have Kiss and Teal, Purple Prose, Pink Ink, Lover's Coral, and Yellow Goodbye. Again, these are existing shades, but if you haven't tried any of the BFF mascaras yet, this is a good way to try them out because it comes in a cute little set with cute packaging. It retails for $40. Next thing, which I think is my second favorite in the collection, is the Over Chromatic BFF Cream Gel Liner Bundle. In here we get 5 cream gel liners, which you guys know I love the cream gel liners. They're my favorite. I just think they're so good. They last forever in my waterline, so I use them constantly. So in here we have Puppy, Crossed, Electric Daisy, Prance, and Piggyback. This is retailing for $20. This is so good. You guys need this. If you haven't tried any of the cream gel liners, this is a good way to start. And lastly, which I have mentioned in the last couple collection videos, I think that these are so good. But this is another little brush set, and this one is the Mad About Hue brush set. And in here we have the, let me take them out. They are used because I used them earlier, so they're dirty. But these are the brushes that are in here. We have the small angled eye brush, which is this little angled brush right here. The small tapered blending brush, which is so good. I didn't have this brush and I used it today. It's really, really good. The blending brush, a small shader brush, and then the small fluff brush, which is so good for highlight. I love this brush for highlight, so I'm really happy that that one is in there. And this brush set is $20, which is a steal because the ColourPop brushes are so good, super underrated. If you guys haven't tried any of them, this is a good time to start. I feel like this collection, since most of these products are all existing products, this is a really good collection. If you don't have any of them and you have been wanting to try out like maybe the regular single shadows and you just haven't like done a BYOP, which is build your own palette, like on their website, I think this is cheaper than when you can do like the BYOP, like build your own palette. I'm not exactly sure. The packaging is really cute, but also don't let the packaging fool you if you already have these products. I'm one of those people that buys things solely for like packaging, so just keep that in mind. But like I said, I think this is a really good collection if you don't have any of these products already. Like you can try out, especially the mascara and the cream gel liner set. I think that's really good. If you haven't tried any of those out, I think that the colors that they picked for the collection is really good, like starter set, you know. I did do a look with this collection. This is the look that I created today. I had some trouble earlier. I actually did a completely different look and I hated it and I took it off and filmed another look. So this is the second look that I did with this collection. I want to see how to get this look right here, or just see me trying out the shadows and give you guys my final thoughts at the end of this video. Then just keep watching. Okay. I just filmed another look and I literally hated it, so I stopped filming it in the middle of that. So we're starting off with another look now. Let's get into this palette off with the shade Sandbar, which is this one right here. I don't know what I'm doing now because I had another look already started and now I'm like all frazzled. But my eyes are already primed and I think I'm just gonna do the rainbow across my entire eye because why not? That's what I started doing earlier, but I was doing it in like a winged liner form and it just was not working out for me, you guys. It was just not in the cards for me today. Placing that right at the inner part of my eye. It's an E9 brush, by the way. This is one of the shades in the bundle with the shade next to it, which is Sun-Kissed. I like that I can just take the shade out now and show you guys instead of like holding up the palette. It is the orange shade. Just placing these down. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna be like a really easy look. I'm having one of those days and it's like if you don't really know how to play around with rainbow colors, I feel like this is a really easy way to go. Running upwards. And I'm also making sure to blend into the pink shade over here as well. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Worth It, which is the lighter pink in the palette, to blend out Sandbar. Moving on to another brush. This is the E1 that is in the bundle. And I'm taking the yellow, which is Sweet Spot. It's the brighter, I'm taking all the bright shades. And I'm blending that into Sun-Kissed. So using this yellow to blend out the edges of Sun-Kissed too, because it is, you know, it looks kind of similar. Because we lost some of that Sun-Kissed shade, packing that back on. And like the pink really close to the inner part of my eye, and then the yellow and the orange kind of more in the center. Going with this shade, this doesn't have a name on it. I don't know what it's called, but I have a feeling it's one of the new ones, so I'm just placing that right, not at the complete outer edge of my eye yet, but almost. Honestly, this one next to the yellow looks almost like yellow because it is so light. And with a clean brush really quick just to blend out the edges. And I'm starting from this green over here because we're going to get into like the darker blue and purple right now. Blending it out from this way over here just so we don't like put the pink over here in like the green section. Green really just blends into the yellow. It almost looks yellow itself, so I'm just like Packing that on there. And in with this shade, which is Fine China. I'm pretty sure this is in the Blue Moon palette, if I'm not mistaken. I'm placing this on the outer part of my eye, and I'm blending that into the green. And with that clean brush from earlier to blend the edges. Just like re-intensified all the other colors. And lastly, I'm going into the shade Seen Stars. I'm putting this right on the outer part of my eye. Blending that into the blue. This happened to me earlier too. Like the purple was not sticking to my eye. Clean this up with concealer really quick just so I can like see like am I a mess today or like what is going on. Let me try this one more time. Eyeshadow, I think it's just the eyeshadow, honestly, that purple. Or if it's the blue, I don't know. I don't think it's the blue because I've used this blue shadow before, I think, and I don't remember having issues with it. But do you see how it's like not sticking to my eye? I pack it on. I'm packing it on with a little packer brush. And then blend out the edge with the green. Yeah, that blue eyeshadow is just like not sticking to my eye. Just taking that concealer that I had right now from cleaning it up, and I'm just blending that into the eyeshadow so I can kind of like get rid of some of it and like fade it out. And I feel like that helped a little bit, honestly. Okay, so I did the same thing over here, but I didn't use a purple eyeshadow, and everything blended perfectly fine. So I think it was just this purple eyeshadow because I didn't have that issue over here. So I don't know what happened here. I've been trying to fix it and I can't. So we're just gonna ignore it and we're gonna turn to this side. But yeah, I think everything blended on this eye really nicely. Like everything blended into each other super easily. I don't know, but obviously this is like very bold. This is not an everyday look. I really just wanted to try the colors. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face. I'll be right back. Okay, so I did like most of the rest of my face. I still gotta finish a couple things, but I applied some lashes. These are just the Time Los Angeles Minky lashes. They're like super just light lashes. Lower lash line, I didn't think I was gonna do anything. I might just put like a very light wash of the light pink in here. I'm gonna take that, yeah, I'm gonna take this shade. It's like the really light pink. It's worth it. And I'm just gonna dust that along the lower lash line just to like have something there. I don't know, I feel like when I don't have anything down on my lower lash line, it looks weird. Makeup looks like the Becky G collection. Like that was literally the first thing I thought. I was like, wow, what does this look like? And I turned to my side and I'm like, wow, the Becky G collection. I'm gonna use one of the mascaras. We have the Bff Mascara Set. I use pink ink because this is one of my favorite ones. And I just want to put something like on the lower lash line, but I don't want to do like something crazy because the top is already a lot. So just a little something. But yeah, everything else is all just like eye products. There is the cream gel liners, which you guys know I love, which I highly recommend. I just don't want to do like too much. I don't know, I feel like the eyes are already a lot. I mean, let me just go ahead and finish up like highlight and put my lips on and stuff, and then I will give you guys my final thoughts. So I'll be right back. Like you guys can't see how cute my little scrunchie is, but it's fine. I just put my hair up. I just put a little lip tint on. This one is City of Stars. I just kind of dabbed it on. I didn't want to do something again too much, but yeah, let me just get into my final thoughts on this collection. I do think that the palette is a really good price, 40 bucks for 24 eyeshadows, and I really like the way it looks in the palette. I do wish they still would have done like a little 9-pan palette and doing all the like little monochromatic 9-pans. That I felt like it would have been only right to do one for like the actual rainbow. But I guess like maybe they just thought like, oh, it would probably be better just to lay them all out like this. And else, I mean, like, I do like everything, but I think I have most of these products. They are already existing shades, like the little foursome. I do like the foursome though, and I like that they are including Jelly Much eyeshadows in the foursomes now, and these are really pretty colors. I think this is so cute, and I think if you're gonna pick anything up, pick this up because the face milks are so good, and the packaging, so cute. The mascara bundle, again, existing products, all of these ones already, so two I definitely would say pick up. If you don't have any of the mascaras or the cream gel liners, definitely pick these two bundles up because I love these so much. I always recommend the brush bundles because the brushes are really good and they're always a good price for the bundle. I wish they would have done like maybe new products or something like that for the rainbow collection, but they also have so many rainbow products already. Like, they came out with all the mascaras and the liners and stuff. It's like biased, and I love rainbow stuff that I was just expecting more. I love ColourPop single shadows. I just tend to gravitate more towards like the palettes now and stuff, but before, I mean, I have like my own personalized palettes and they look similar to this. Set up, and the palette is really nice, I will say that, because you have like, let me do it this way. You can do six different looks with this. So you can do a pink look with like a transition, a lid shade, a crease shade, and like a deepening shade, and that goes for all of the shades in here. Like, there's a transition shade for all the colors, there's like a lid metallic or pressed glitter shade for each one, a crease shade, and then like a darker deepening shade. So I really like that they did that. These ones, except these ones down here, are all metallics, but for the most part, I feel like you can create a look with each row. So you have all of the like monochromatic 9-pan palettes already. You might not need this because you have like those same colors in those palettes, you know, but if you are someone that likes to keep palettes like this, just like the type of person that likes single shadows, or if you're a working makeup artist and you do a lot of like editorial colorful looks and stuff, this would definitely be good too because you don't have to like carry all of the 9-pan palettes in there. I think the bundles and everything are pretty good price, and I like the way that they're set up and everything. Indecisive with this collection. Like, I just feel like it's so many products that I already have that it's a little hard to be excited for it because I have most of these products already. Like, they're not new. Not sure when this collection or anything is launching. I don't have any information on the card here. Pretty much it. I hope that this was helpful for you. I don't know, I feel like I wasn't very helpful today, but I don't know, like, I just feel like I'm not as excited as I am with the other collections that I have been. Yeah, anyways, like I said, I hope that this was helpful for you. If you like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video.